According to Statista.com, there are about 180 million active data users in Nigeria, with internet penetration amounting to 51.44% of Nigeria's population. There is an increasing need to have a conversation around how well digital rights of consumers are protected. This is the crux of this roundtable discussion organized by the Public and Private Development Center.
Protecting our data rights implies that our data are kept private and they are not known. Somebody else cannot access my facial image or my fingerprint without proper authorization. We care because safeguarding data rights is an essential foundation to the right of privacy.
Another source of concern is the level of exposure of children to digital platforms.
What my organization has done is to tackle that end, to work with the National Education Research Development Commission, the NERODC, to develop an online curriculum that seeks to talk about safety, online safety. What should our children know? And we haven't just done it as a standalone. We have infused it into Nigerian curriculum. We need more of government taking on board that curriculum.
Well, this challenge has led to the creation of the Nigeria Data Protection Bureau. The Bureau was created last week as an arm of the Ministry of Communications and Digital Economy, which will serve as a regulatory agency for data protection.
This bureau was created, one, to ensure that the draft law that we have is pushed to the legal passage before the end of the term of this government, and to ensure that we regulate what people do online in terms of how do we protect their information, how do we ensure their privacy, how do we ensure their freedom is guaranteed whatever they do online. And companies, both in the private and private sector organizations, are expected to file the audit report to ensure that they comply with the provisions of the regulation. Those are the things we'll be doing. We are at the point of crafting our strategic action plan now in the country to properly examine what we are supposed to be doing, how do we do it, what roles do we have for everybody, because it's something that all of us will have to do together.
The Chief Executive Officer of the Bureau, Vincent Olatunji, comments on the technical glitch that has affected the portal of the National Identity Management Commission.
We are still investigating. We don't really know the true situation of things, but in technology, just like an accident, anything can happen at any time, and not until we know the actual facts or what really happened, we won't be able to really comment on that for now. But we're working with NIMC to find out what happened and if there are measures they need to put in place to ensure that that doesn't happen again.
He says the federal government is also working on tackling unfettered access of cash lending companies to contacts of their clients.
Now, we've actually started meeting, and we discovered that these loan sharks, they target a vulnerable group in the society that who may not properly or really understand what they are going into by the time they are getting money from them. There are two issues there. One, the issue of technology. What kind of technology have they deployed to be able to have access to people's contact on your phone? But we didn't actually give them the contact. Two, the issue of privacy. I don't know you, I didn't collect money from you, and the next thing you are sending a message to me, you are invading my privacy. So these are the things that we are looking at. I would discuss that we need a very firm regulatory instrument to be able to deal with them.
The Nigeria Data Protection Bureau is working on getting legal backing from the National Assembly. Georgina Ndukwe-Ezeanyika, Arise News.